This video will describe how comments can be added to a map. Comments are a great way to directly interact with the map developers and discuss details of the entities and reactions. For this tutorial, we will focus on the icosanoid pathway, which describes the generation of arachidonic acid derivatives. One of the central reactions of this pathway is the conversion of arachidonic acid to prostaglandin, shown here. We'll take a closer look at some of the key players in this pathway. PTGS1 and 2, also known as COX1 and 2. Clicking on PTGS1 drops a pin on the molecule and brings up detailed information about the protein in the sidebar. Although this map is based on identifiers from the Human Genome Organization Gene Nomenclature Committee, other identifiers are also stored and can be used for searches. For example, PTGS1 is also linked to its common alias COX1. Likewise, for the other cyclooxygenase isozyme COX2, also shown in the map. In addition to the reactions shown here, COX1 and 2 are known to be targets for non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, such as aspirin, which mediate acetylation of the enzymes and inhibition of their ability to generate prostaglandin. COX2 acetylation allows it to catalyze instead the production of 15R hydroxyicosahydrotetraenoic acid. This activity of acetylated COX2 is present in the map, but the acetylation reaction is not explicitly shown, as the decision was made not to include details of the many drug interactions in the map. To suggest that this important reaction perhaps ought to be included in the map, a comment can be added. This comment will be visible both to other users and to the developers who monitor such feedback regularly. To create a comment, right-click on the map where the comment should appear and select Add Comment from the pop-up menu. The comment can be linked to a map entity, such as the protein PTGS2 itself, or to a reaction. A pull-down menu allows the nearby entities and reactions to be selected. Alternatively, as we will do here, the menu can be left at General to create a comment that is pinned to the map at the chosen location. There are fields allowing you to enter your name and email address. These are optional, but can be very helpful for the developers to get in contact with you to clarify any details about your comment and better improve the map. Your name and email are only available to the map administrators and will not be shown on the public comment associated with the map. Now you can write your comment in the text field provided. Here we will add a note that the reaction linking acetylated and non-acetylated PTGS2 is missing. It is very helpful to developers if you can provide some supporting information. Here, for example, we can provide a link to a suggested reaction scheme, but a link to the literature might also be appropriate. I will copy the URL for the supporting web page and add it into my comment. Once I am happy that the comment contains all the necessary information, I can click Send, and the comment is now added to the map. Please note that after the comment is added, you are not able to edit it, so it is good to double-check those spelling errors first. To view comments in the map, the comment visibility needs to be switched on, which can be done using the checkbox in the map toolbar. Our new comment will now be visible to anyone who has comments turned on. The map curators will also be notified of the new comment, and they can take any appropriate action. Adding a comment is an easy way to point out an error, ask a question, or suggest an addition to the map. Feedback from the users allows open projects such as this to benefit from the domain knowledge and expertise of a broad base of experts and helps create a better resource for the research community. We look forward to your feedback on the maps at https://asthma-map.org.